Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock goats in Crimson Desert. In case you're wondering why we need to unlock goats, well there is a mechanic in the game that's called ranching. Where you can basically ranch animals inside your gray main camp. If you want to unlock the ranching in your camp, make sure to do the quest called Field of Abundance. You basically have to do the Nusu comrades here all the way here to the bottom until eventually you can make a ranch of your own. Now once you have made the ranch, go over to Ben right here and then press R and then press to buy livestock, and as you can see right here, he only sells a very tiny little chick. If you want to unlock goats, we have to meet with Ibano over here at the Capra pasture. Now over on the Capra pasture, you should find an NPC called Ibano. And once you can finally see the option to give him a gift, press R to do it. Now there are several things that you can gift him. For me personally, I'm just going to use some food. And once you've reached trust level 100 on Ibano, go back over to your ranch and go over to buy livestock, and you should see baby goat right here. And that's pretty much about it on how to unlock a goat in Crimson Desert.